Got a vintage Singer model 404A. Serial number is AN028116, which dates it to 1959. The machine's been serviced and it's good working order. It's a little dirty in some of the harder to reach spots, but I'll just show you how well it stitches. See, the light works, passes the tap test. Basically, I got 6 layers of denim, which were already stitched once for photo used in the ad. Let's see, it did forward and back stitching. Trying to get a good shot in there. And there you can see it's got an equal stitch, no missed stitches. And then I have 4 layers of a thin leather. It's typically found on jackets, purses, skirts. There you can see a stitch better on this material. Except for the back. And there you have it.